My dear child, I am the one and only God who created the world. Gives life and bestows all benefits. I will perform a financial miracle for you and your family within the next 48 hours. You will get $10 million in your bank account from unknown sources. You will get a large quantity of money that will make you wealthy, and you will have enough money to pay off your expenses. Purchase your dream house and live the lifestyle you have always desired. Please like this video if you believe in God. Type 1111 to affirm this. Please share this blessings with others. I come to you, my darling child, filled with an unending desire to give you gifts that are greater than your most amazing expectations, but rest confident that any and all obstacles will not defeat my divine purpose for your life. Whatever I say to you regarding challenges will all come to pass at the perfect time. They are more than just words on paper. Remember that I am always here for you. Type 2222 times of trouble, lending you my ethical hand rather than obsessing over small matters and the challenges. Listen to the gentle whispers of my counsel. Treasure each. I ask for your whole attention throughout the time we spend together while I paint my eternal wisdom into your heart's canvas. You are my child because of your focus and the unwavering devotion of your spirit, which is firmly rooted on my promises. Particular someone, and even though there's a lot of commotion and chaos surrounding you, I completely accept your perspective. I promise you that you must stay on the path I have laid out for you. My loyalty to you is eternal and transcendent, beyond the ebb and the flow of external forces. I have faith in the way it will be carried out. Those who cling to me will be able to withstand my demand with the strength of your faith. Boundless luck and unwavering bravery notwithstanding their doubts about me. I promise the areas of hope that individuals who live a humble and giving life would refrain from giving into fleeting emotions. Diversions will ultimately yield abundant triumph, happiness, and prosperity. Let's radiate. Click like to share the positive energy and radiate the light of divine inspiration. As we embark on this priceless, incomprehensible trip, please join me in saying amen to the Heavenly Spirit by putting your faith in the cosmic light resulting from your participation in this dark world. You are becoming a shining example of infinite love, compassion, and rebirth on earth. I bless you with the oil of boundless joy so that you might use the brightness of that to conquer transient melancholy. Eternal hope that your insights will sow the seeds of knowledge in receptive minds, and if you act with integrity and sincerity, your hands will heal shattered ones. Please donate us $100 to support US.IT will grow and leave a more peaceful legacy that penetrates every aspect of this. Is just a peek of what awaits those who give their lives to me. You, my celestial guardians, are there. Observe your way beyond material measurement and consequently look for my understanding and allow it to shape your personality, bringing gifts from above and below. But envision even greater marvels, believer, beyond our comprehension, wide and wonderful. Don't let perceived. If you only stare at me, I'll reveal your destiny. As delays in my promises discourage you or allow you to fall victim to demonic attacks, you are a living, breathing masterpiece that is unmatched by any other dedicated being. Type yes to affirm. And I adore you unconditionally. You are my treasure, and my love for you has no boundaries. Limitations irrespective of status or propriety, which no one, not even angels, can adequately describe. Our unity acknowledges the constant truth of your great status and worth in my eyes and disregard the adversary's false tales of abandonment. I take tremendous pleasure in you, my irreplaceable, cherished, and loved child, and I laugh greatly at those who would place you in a state of. You currently have my complete support as I work to set you free from feelings of terror and inferiority. From any form of enslavement, stand tall today. For my spirit bestows life and strength onto everyone who embraces my ability to transform them and says, yes, once more to taking on the role of my kindness, and a message to a planet in need. You are similar to me in that our hearts continue to beat in the midst of tremendous sorrow and pain because we care profoundly about other people. Type 3333 that I in harmony with a goal greater than yourself. You have demonstrated extraordinary grace and fortitude in the face of difficulty, have defined your response to hardship, therefore I'm speaking out for you, right now. You are the object of my desire and the center of my heart. And I will face every adversary who has ever attempted to harm you. Incredible love, as I am a God who zealously guards the individuals I care about all around you, is my reassuring and encouraging presence. I want those who are in opposition to you to witness your level of assurance and stability with me, knowing that I will bring you victory. May assurance and your character is shaped by your honesty, lack of worry, and unwavering determination. Type God, I need wealth. Every day, to uplift and revitalize your soul. I am always here to support you. Providing shelter from life's storms. I promise to never abandon you, and my commitment to you will never waver. Challenges that put your faith to the test made our relationship stronger, and your tenacity genuinely unwavering touches me. After examining my personality, you made promises to me, but regardless of how terrible things get, we are no longer in the woods. You have arrived at the pinnacle of your destiny at this moment. Accept my boundless grace, which triumphs over the effects of sin. And humiliation do not result in sadness or hopelessness, rather, they just serve to highlight in my eyes, you have a special purpose and intrinsic worth, and I am healing the broken hearts. You are unique, beloved, and selected, therefore you have the potential to make a great difference in the world. Hold fast to your determination to allow the entirety of my spirit to enter your being as you delightfully welcome the liberty that arises from being God's offspring. My affection for you exposes the Father's soul. My beloved, resting in these facts shields you from the darkness's attack. I in my heart, buddy, your trust and affection are unwavering. Even in the face of offlies and concerns, you cling tenaciously to our friendship through good times and bad. Our bond reveals the route to a better tomorrow that will bring you to a new beginning full of opportunity and vitality. Therefore don't be afraid, because the belief that my spirit will lead you into complete truth, even after a new day has broken. As the seasons shift, know that my love and presence are only becoming stronger every day, and that those who oppose you will eventually lose. Will proceed gradually. I pledge to uplift you. My spirit will shine on your journey. Your hardships are turning into a potent witness in hallowed places. I have a ton of blessings in store for you, and this is just the beginning. Get ready to welcome them with a GR attitude, delight and thankfulness. Let go of offense, jealousy, and resentment. Prevent you from answering my call to life. Instead, you should boldly approach the throne of grace, where you will instead get prompt support and experience an increase in confidence. Replace with humility, prayer, and gratitude for the chance to accompany me in seeing the celestial gates. Areas are opening up in front of your eyes as I release a never-before-seen flood of knowledge and energy from humans, transitory but persistent in one's memory when one passes by. Indicators of holiness, wonders, profound experiences, and miracles will befall those who doubt. They will marvel at your capacity to conquer resistance. And have complete faith in this union. If you have even a tiny bit of faith, you have wealth kept in heaven. Whoever doubts will be astounded by your power and ability when the unimaginable happens right before your eyes. A legacy that will remain forever, essence and glory are waiting for you, and the instant you release, pray sincerely and fast assiduously to prepare oneself from the final bonds of mortality. I shall send forth springs that will cover the table before you're piled too high with food be a problem for you any longer, not even in the most desolate areas of the world. Rather, I generously offer the pure, delectable, everlasting love's waters, which you will fully sip from your spirit, will never again feel true hunger or thirst, with the accompanying heavenly nourishment, regardless of the challenges life presents. My table arranged with resurrection delicacies will fulfill all of your requirements, and everyone dressed in from now on. Nothing, not even death or demons, can get in the way of your divine sonship. Everything you encounter must bow down before the mark of my Spirit, which is now and forever, until the day of redemption. You are already ascending to new heights and entering a new realm in your life. Something, given this momentous occasion, you could never have imagined. Pay close attention to what you say and consider as you humbly surrender to your God, for I will exalt those who honor me by taking the obedient vessel to heights where, according to the most celestial creatures, it is impossible for us to be alone. In it, our unity ISI shall reveal aspects of my greatness and beauty to you that mortal eyes cannot see them. Why Spirit illuminates, and the limited will merge with the limitless in perfect harmony that I have never seen. Gives you strength from the depths of our close fellowship. From there, I kindly ask you to stay rooted and grow eternally in the vine of my essence. Without me, the work you do is all that exists is dust in the wind, but inside my arms are the boundless treasures of heaven, waiting for your order. So, have no fear of the mysteries beyond the horizon, for no eye nor ear has witnessed them that has heard them, or the advantages I'm providing will surpass your most optimistic hopes. So complete the I have assigned you tasks not in a rush of worldly whims but in accordance with the beats of eternity. I have guided you safely through the darkest hours since the dawn of time. Slopes and the most alone evenings, like ceaseless waves crashing into the I am aware of how overwhelming your problems are and how they could wipe out your hopes. But do not be afraid, I am the rock that you can rely on, and if you trust in me, I will soothe your anger while I gently talk to your spirit. I will say things that will reassure, heal, and reassure your tired face. Exposes the hardships you went through in the shadows, but have no fear, better days are coming. Hold on to your beliefs and visualize the miracles I am setting in place for your previous lie. A field full of potential and enjoyment is now emerging from the winding route that you were concerned would be broken. Relationships would remain strained indefinitely. But fear not, I am the ultimate healer, who breathes new life into dead things. Although you lament the loss of steadiness, take solace in the understanding that I am making it possible for you to receive boundless grace and blessings, that my capacity for forgiveness, and you'll soon be astounded that grace can mend even the most damaged connections, my darling. At the transformation I've brought about, transforming ashes into beauty and hopelessness into wealth. You've experienced the pain of severe, unhealed wounds from betrayal and rejection, yet now look at my healing touch is similar to a calming stream that lifts your sorrow and anguish, while bringing your spirit back to wholeness. Numerous individuals have greeted your sacrificing dedication combined with apathy or lack of gratitude, but fear not, I have seen every kindness gesture and selfless act made out of love. I will now, as I work on their hearts, open the eyes of those who have previously disregarded you to the value of you. In my opinion, since you are as brilliant as 1,000 stars, we will respect and recognize your worth. Stuck for far too long in the vicious cycle of shortage and poverty, with obstacles and failures at every turn, but prepare yourself as you bravely advance, led by the vision that results from my promises of freedom and plenty. Are drawing near to you, my love, and you'll go on new adventures full with transient opportunities, new contacts, and closed doors that you have clung to optimism in the face of enormous obstacles and the hopeless state of your soul. You courageously put your trust in my words I spoke, disregarded the enemy's warnings, and inspired hope for beauty to come from despair. The tears-sown seeds of trust will blossom with happiness now that your hour of fulfillment has arrived. All people will profit from private prayers said in whispers, and dreams nurtured in secret will come true.